Samantala, nagpahayag ang Malacanang na hihintayin muna ang resulta ng investigasyon kaugnay sa sumadsad na Cebu Pacific bago ito kikilos at magpataw ng kaukulang danyos matapos magdulot ng matinding perwisyo sa mga pasahero. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami, Elena Luna.
Hihintayin muna ng palasyo ang resulta ng investigasyon sa sumadsad na eroplano ng Cebu Pacific sa Davao City International Airport. Ayon kay Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang, kailangang malaman muna ang mga tunay na nangyari para maging basehan ng pananagutan ng airline at kung kailangan itong patawan ng sanksyon.
We don't know what the results of the investigation will be. We don't know if it's going to be definitively concluded as pilot error, which is what we're hearing. And at this point, helpful to speculate until we know what the facts are. Once the facts have been determined and put in place, then we can recommend or we can determine what proper course of action will be.
Mahalaga aniya sa palasyo na manumbalik na sa dating operasyon ng airport kung kaya binigyan ng Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines ang Cebu Pacific ng deadline.
What's important for us is determine the cause of the accident and to take steps to prevent that from happening again. Now we're giving Cebu Pacific time to clear the area so that normal operations can resume in the Davao Airport.
Ayon rin sa kalihim, nakarating na sa kanila ang balita na napabayaan ng ilang pasahero ng sumadsad na eroplano. Ngunit ang bagay na ito ay hindi na panghihimasukan ng palasyo.
Well, you've seen the reports from the passengers, no? And let's let that speak for itself, and let's let Cebu Pacific deal with it and explain to the passengers. I understand there have been reports that have gone on social media about passenger complaints. That's natural in a case like this, but that's really not an issue that the palace should get involved with. Let Cebu Pacific deal with that. It's a matter for their customer service.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.